Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Bedwars. To begin, understand that your primary goal is to destroy enemy beds while protecting your own. You'll start on an island with your team, collecting essential resources like iron and gold. These resources are crucial for purchasing items and upgrades. There are 4 main resources in total, each serving a unique purpose in your quest for victory. Choose your team wisely and prepare for battle. Resource management is key to success. Collect iron and gold from generators on your island to buy basic items such as blocks and swords. Venture to the mid-island generators for diamonds, which are used for powerful team upgrades like sharper swords or stronger defenses. Finally, acquire emeralds from the very center of the map to purchase highly valuable items, including obsidian blocks for ultimate bed protection or devastating fireballs for offense. A balanced approach to offense and defense is vital. Always prioritize defending your bed by building layers of blocks like wool, wood, or even blast-proof obsidian around it. Simultaneously, coordinate with your teammates to launch strategic attacks on enemy islands. Utilize a variety of weapons, including swords and bows, for combat, and pickaxes to swiftly break through enemy defenses. Effective teamwork makes all the difference. To truly dominate, focus on controlling the diamond and emerald generators. These provide significant advantages. Mastering quick bridging techniques will allow you to traverse the map efficiently and surprise opponents. Once all enemy beds are destroyed, your final objective is to eliminate any remaining players from the opposing teams. Achieve this, and your team will secure a well-deserved victory in Roblox Bedwars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.